Hello, we are Team 13 GitDUB, and this is our Sprint 1, 2, 3, and 4 features presentation. So starting off with our GUI main screen, we're here with our use case diagram. Not much has changed, same basic implementation. And here we're going to see a video of the implementation. First, we're going to see the credits button up and working with credits of our names, the creators of the game, and here you can see each logo has the appropriate icon on it, and you can see there's full functionality of going forward and backward from each game. So moving on, we're moving on to Wordle. We have our Wordle domain diagram here. Not much has changed from the previous sprint. And here we have our implementation of Wordle. You can see clicking on Wordle here, we have a help button, which will give instructions on how to play Wordle. And here you can see typing in the letter, pressing enter, getting immediate feedback. You can see the colors also giving feedback which letters are correct. You can also see the backspace working. You can see a end state for the winning, again with a reset button working, with more implementation of the backspace, as well as a leaderboard with statistics that helps show how many games you've won and played. And that is Wordle. Moving on to our guessing game. We have our guessing game sequence diagram. Again, not much has changed here since our last implementation. You have your actor, your controller, and your basically the sequence as you go through this game. And here is the implementation of said game. So this is also called numbers. You can see the help section there. With the question mark, you can see you can enter a guess, any which guess by pressing enter, or you can enter a guess by pressing the submit guess button with the mouse. You can see the feedback in the lower corner. You can see how many tries you had left, a reset button working, and you can also change the difficulty, which will change the max number as well as the number of guesses. You can see here incorrect input will give you the feedback to enter a valid number. And here you can see again an end state. Your guess was correct. And that would be it for numbers. And now we are moving on to checkers. So for our implementation of checkers, we have our video here. Again, as always, you will be starting at your main screen, but then you can move on over to checkers. And here you can see, unlike our other games, it is a two-player game. You can see here we've clicked on the question mark, our help section, our instructions, if you will, reading the instructions, again, always having access back to our game. And here we can see it's sort of a two-click game. You click the button or the piece you want to move and then where you want to move it, unless, of course, you are able to capture, in which the functionality of the game will have you capture, if that is an option. So yeah, those are all of our games. Thank you so much for watching.